friends, welcome to Jerry's Home Kitchen. Today I bring to you a very popular recipe which is made in every Indian home. It is called Kaddu Ka Sabji or Pumpkin Sabji. Pumpkin is also widely used all across the world. Before we move on, please like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon. Let's get started with the recipe. The ingredients are onions 3 small, finely chopped, ginger garlic paste 1 tablespoon, green chillies 2 cut into big bits, curry patta or curry leaves 12 to 15, grated coconut or Khobra khis 1 tablespoon, Jeera or Cummin seeds half teaspoon, Garam masala half teaspoon, Haldi powder or turmeric powder half teaspoon, 2 tablespoons oil, salt half teaspoon or as per taste, pumpkin 500 grams, washed and cut in big cubes. Pumpkin is a great source of potassium and beta carotene. Place a pan on the gas. Pour the oil into the pan. Add the jeera. Add the green chillies. Add the curry patta. Add the onions. And stir it for some time till it is transparent. Now add the ginger garlic paste to it. We will now add the haldi or turmeric powder. After stirring for a minute, we shall add the kaddu or the pumpkin, add the salt, after frying it for a minute, put the lid on and let it cook on a slow fire for 20 to 25 minutes. If you find the sabji is a little dry, you can add 2 tablespoons of water to it. After 25 minutes, I am going to remove the lid and add the garam masala and the Khobra khis to the kaddu sabji and stir it for 2 minutes more. So friends, our Kaddu Ka Sabji or pumpkin sabji is ready to be eaten. Do try this recipe at home and let me know in the comment section below. Till we meet again with my next recipe. Bye bye.